How to change Steam EA account and unlink Steam from EA just on your laptop in some minutes. For this, I will simply click on Electronic Arts here and open it while clicking on it. Now, this is my Electronic Arts account, and what I have to do is simply click on My Account option and then click on the Sign In button to sign into my account right now. You have to sign in with your email address or the password you have created while creating your account. And after logging in, if you don't have an account, you can simply create it. I will simply click on my Gmail account and log into my account right now, just in front of you. Now, this is my home page on my account. Once I logged into my account here, I will click again on the Electronic Arts and I will simply go on my account section. Then here you have to click on account setting and you will be seen an option or menu like this. From the left side of menu, go to connections, the bottommost corner of your screen, and here you will see Steam. If you have a linked account, you will see to unlink, because I have not any account linked to my account. So if you have, you can simply click on unlink to get it unlinked. Thank you so much for watching this video.